Guys, on this video, I'm going to show you how to find and join a community on X. And also I'm going to explain a little bit more what community does, how it is going to help you. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open and I will continue explaining. Now, to join a community, when you open your X profile account, click on this area, rather the profile icon, and then you're going to notice where it says community. Then you click on community. Now from this area you can actually see all of the recommended community on the top area, right? When you swipe, you can see everything. Now if you cannot find what you are looking for, right, you can actually search for the community by clicking on explore. Now let's say I am looking for a crypto community. These are all crypto community. Let's say I'm looking for Axie community. I can type Axie and then hit enter, and it's going to show me Axie Infinity Origin community. These are all the community. And let's assume I am looking for Liverpool Football Club community. So I can type Liverpool, and then I'm going to see all of the community that are Liverpool FC or Liverpool Football Club. So I can see all of them and I can join anyone that I want. Now I can just click and then click on join. Now when you join the community, what is actually the value of the community, and also how is it going to reflect on what you're doing as a creator on X. Now if you join a community and you make a post in the community, so you can click on join to join a community. Most of them, they have to review to accept you. So let me go ahead and join, so you can read on the agreement and everything. And let me go ahead and say agree and join. Now if you've done this is going to proceed, and now you can start making posts on the community board. In most cases it might be only admin or mods that will be able to make the post. You can see I cannot make posts. But then when you make a post, hold on, go to community, and you are going to see all of the community that you belong. You can see these are the communities that I belong. I can now click on Liverpool. This is Liverpool. Now I can now make a post. So if I click on this area and then make a post. Now let me go ahead and say alright, I am done typing. Now let me go ahead and explain this. If I make this post, right, everybody in this community are going to see the post, and also the people that are also following me, which is it is going to share it to the people that are following them, and also going to share it with the people that are following me, and also it is going to share it to everybody on X. But then the thing is, most time it can be limited to who can comment. Maybe just only Liverpool fans or only Liverpool community can comment. But everyone are going to see this, so we can go ahead and hit post. Now when you make this post, it is going to actually display right here, and also is going to display for everyone else that is following me. So that is actually how the community works. Now if I go to my profile area, you will clearly see that my post is going to be showing right there. Now the reason why it's not showing is because, you see, it's showing right here. So everybody is going to see it, including people that are in the community. Now the only thing is that you can actually set this to be that only the people that are in the community that will be able to respond or reply. But I think I'm actually okay leaving it to everybody or leaving it to the public. So I hope this video is helpful. Let me know if it helped you, and I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.